How to add more apps in one row on your Galaxy's home screen. First, go to your Galaxy and find Galaxy Store app. Open it and tap on the search icon and type goodlock. Install and open it. Scroll up a bit, find Home Up app, click on the store icon to install it. Now go back and open Home Up app. Activate it by tapping here. Click Home Screen tab. Click Home Screen grid. Here you can choose 5x6, 6x7, and even 7x7. Then click Apply. Go back to your home screen. Now you can fit 7 apps in one row. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.